Hello friends, this is Flavors of New York. I'm Lala from Put It In My Mouth podcast, and today I get to shoot in my neighborhood on 5th at a beautifully delicious vegan restaurant called Chakra. Hi JD.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lala. Take me into your kitchen. Let's go.
Okay, so welcome to Chakra.
Thank you.
And I thought today we'd make a mango salad and a massaman curry.
Oh, you're speaking my language. It's cold outside. Nothing sounds better to me than a curry right now. And you've got the mortar and pestle out, so we're making a curry from scratch?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. What should we start with, though? The mango salad?
Yeah, the mango salad.
All right,
so
cool.
I thought we would you could start by peeling the mango and the carrot.
All right. I love how your mise en place is all out. You're ready to go. You're organized.
So we'll start by peeling the mango.
Great.
Yeah.
Mangoes are hard to peel anyway, so what are the ingredients in this mango salad?
So young mango, tamarind. We have a house-made vegan tamarind sauce that we've already made.
Yeah.
Fresh lime, red onion, a dash of soy sauce, and ground peanut, and tomato.
Tell me how this whole thing started. It's Thai Indian vegan.
Correct.
Tell me about...
So my partner's Thai, is a Thai chef of many years, many decades, and I came into Thai cooking about 20 years ago, and just gradually, also being a vegan, the two came together organically. Here we do highlight the dishes that are Thai with Indian influence, which most Thai restaurants don't, so that's something different. And that's what we'll get to the massaman next, which is a classic Thai Indian dish. And so it was an organic process of me being a long-time vegan, meeting other Thai vegan chefs, and gradually getting more and more involved.
How long have you been vegan?
I've been vegan for most of the last 25 years.
Okay.
Yeah. And a long time, I call myself a natural vegetarian. I never liked meat so much, so it was an easy transition.
And how did your cooking journey begin?
That began with just a lot of traveling. So
Same.
yeah. Just trying food, and ironically, I did not like Thai food when I first.
What?
So it was overwhelming. It was spicy and beyond. So but now I eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Amazing.
So it's the full arc is going from not
Full circle.
Yeah, full circle.
And how did you meet your partner, who's Thai?
In Thai, through friends in the vegetarian vegan community,
Okay.
which was pretty small at the time. It was decades ago, and so there weren't many vegan options in Thailand, and so the community was pretty small. And so, yeah, one thing led to another.
One thing led to another.
In terms of
And
meeting.
one thing led to another, ended up you opening up your own restaurant in the East Village, which is quite the undertaking.
Yeah.
How long has the restaurant been here?
Fully open just a little over a year. So we tried to open during the pandemic, had some difficulties, of course, like a lot of people, but then eventually opened fully last year.
Love it. Yeah. All right, let's keep cooking.
Okay.
I love these. I love the cute little shapes that they make. Makes it super easy for a salad situation, right?
And this Thai brand is the one to go with. Now we can cut the mango.
Is this enough carrot?
That's enough carrot.
Okay, great.
Yeah. For the mango, and don't do this at home, but we'll.
The man knows his way around the knife.
And we'll
Look at that. Do you see that technique? Beautiful.
We'll cut the tomato.
Great.
So if you don't mind, a few cubes.
Cubes?
Yeah.
Got it.
And
All
we
of
can
this?
go
Less of
half of that. We can go right into the mortar and pestle.
Oh, yeah.
Add the mango and the carrot.
So fresh. I love the smell of mango. It's so delicious. And knowing that we're adding the tamarind and the lime and all of this beautiful stuff, like I'm already getting very happy.
Wonderful.
Thai food is some of my favorite foods.
Yeah, it's refreshing, right? It's really.
I mean, it hits all the notes. It hits all the places, right? The spice, the sweet, the bitter, the salty. It's perfect.
I like to think of it as multi-dimensional.
Absolutely.
Yeah, which is unique to the cuisine.
tomato. What else are we throwing in here before we start
Okay.
pocking
right,
it out?
So we'll put all of these in. We'll put the dash of soy sauce, the tamarind dressing, the red onion.
We gonna mortar and pestle this, or am I gonna just?
Yeah. We can squeeze it and then we'll put it in.
And then put it in.
Yeah.
Great. So we get a little zest.
Yeah. And peanut.
Peanuts. Yes. Little texture. We love that.
And we'll just work the mortar and pestle for a moment.
Show the people at home how it's done.
So if you want to take over,
Yeah.
just a minute.
So we're basically mashing all these things together, combining the flavors. I wish you could smell this, because as you do this, it's just like hits you. So how long do you usually mortar and pestle it for?
Just a minute will be fine.
Okay.
It's a very old invention, and it's never been anything better since.
Right? It's never been improved upon.
Right. Ready to serve.
Look at that. So pretty, so colorful, so bright. Do you ever put chilies in it?
We do if we want to go take the spice up a level. Yeah. Fresh chili. There's some fresh chili already in the dressing. that
Okay.
previously,
Okay. So we're gonna get a little kick. All right. Let's give it a taste. We just made it in, like, 2 minutes. Slippery. The tamarind dressing is perfect. And I am getting a little bit of spice
Got it. Yep.
from the chili that's in there. And I love that the mango, it's not super ripe. You said young mango, right? I always have food on my face. It's fine. People at home, they know what's up. But yeah, the spice with the mango, the spicy sweet. I love that contrast so much. Get a little red onion, get some peanuts for texture. Create the perfect bite. Just like the freshest thing ever. Thank you so much. That's delicious.
So now we're going to make masaman curry, and we're going to make it Jain friendly, which means it won't have root vegetables, it won't have potato, won't have carrot. Instead, we'll use pumpkin and we use zucchini, which is not traditional Thai, but it allows us to make a Jain friendly version.
Because typically masaman curry has potatoes and peanuts, right? It's like a peanut-based curry sauce.
Right, and carrot.
And carrot.
So in our version, we don't add peanut, but that's more because the reason that we have a lot of customers who have nut allergies. So as a default, we don't use peanut, but we can add upon request.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So the veggies are already prepped. We have some zucchini, beautiful bell peppers, pumpkin, some broccoli, chickpeas, and then the curry.
Correct.
All right, let's cook it up. This is the beautiful thing about being organized. Once everything is cut and ready to go, it really makes the cooking process fairly quick and easy, right?
Correct.
All right, let's go, chef.
Okay. So we'll put in the masaman base, which we made earlier.
Coconut milk?
Coconut milk, chilies, a little bit of star anise,
Cool.
and a few other spices, but primarily it's coconut based.
So you probably want to throw the veggies in that are going to take the longest to cook.
Correct.
Which
And
I'm assuming this pumpkin
the
is
pumpkin,
probably.
put in hot water first to make it even faster.
Okay. While we're waiting for that to happen,
Sure.
we probably don't want to throw the bell peppers in because they'll take moments
Right.
to cook.
They just need a minute, so we'll throw that in a minute. The same with the zucchini. We would normally cook longer, but we've already.
It's par cooked.
Yeah, exactly.
So you lived in Thailand for a few years.
I did.
And
Yeah.
you have a restaurant there, and you also have a cooking school there.
Correct. Yes,
Amazing.
my partner and I. Yes.
Okay. Shout out
so-
the cooking school and the restaurant
Yeah.
for the
So
people at
so
home.
we also own the Meikaidi cooking schools and restaurants. Yeah, both in Thailand and here.
And so you go back and forth.
Yes, back and forth. Not so much since the pandemic, but yeah.
That's
used
the
to
life of my dreams. Back and forth, New York and Thailand. That's perfect. Okay, so you mentioned this curry is Jain style.
Correct.
Tell me what that is. That's a specific diet, right?
Exactly. So it's a religion and dietary philosophy based in India. And Jain diners do not eat onion, garlic, they don't eat mushroom, eggplant, and they don't eat root vegetables.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's why the no potato, no carrot.
Hence the switching of the curry. All right, so we have that beautiful salad. We have some curries. Tell me about the rest of your menu.
Right, so we also accommodate Swaminarayan diners, which is similar to Jain, not as strict, but also no onion, no garlic, and a variety of other produce. And then we also accommodate many of our customers who have food allergies. So our menu is also tailored for that crowd. Because over the years, with our other restaurants, we found there were many people who didn't want Thai food but didn't want nuts. And so that's not easy at most Thai restaurants, right?
Absolutely not.
Yeah, so we're happy to accommodate that crowd as well.
Do you guys hear that? There's not a lot of restaurants these days that are that accommodating and that kind. So people
Right.
can call you and say, here's my issue, and you'll be like, we got you, handled.
Exactly. And we go even farther with in the vegan community, they're fruitarians, so they don't eat produce that's been basically taken from or ripped out of the ground or where the plant's destroyed. They only eat fruit. But fruit, botanically speaking, it's not just sweet fruit. It's squash, pumpkin, seeds. So there's actually a variety of dishes you can make where you don't destroy the plant, and that accommodates the fruitarian crowd as well.
To your knowledge, are there any other restaurants in New York City that are doing
As
all
far
of
as
these
I-
accommodations like you are?
As far as I know, there are none. So, so we're the only ones doing it.
That's
and
amazing.
hopefully, it'll gain popularity. And so, I myself, I'm mostly fruitarian, and so I'm not just vegan, but I mostly fruitarian.
Okay.
So. I think we're done.
See that? Eat your colors, people.
Here we have a masaman curry, Jain friendly.
Still steaming, but I'm greedy. So I'm putting it in my mouth. The veggies still have like a nice bit of crunch to them. The curry is so good. The spice is beautiful. The layers of flavor, which is what I love so much about Thai food.
We make it fresh every day. All the base ingredients.
Very hot.
Yes, careful.
So I noticed you have a beautiful mural in progress right here and in the dining room as well.
Correct.
Tell me about the artist.
Yeah, so a few artists actually are working on this as a collaboration, and it's a Southeast Asian theme, so Thai, but also illustrating the connection with the other cultures of Southeast Asia, and bring it all together on our beautiful wall.
How'd you find the artists?
Through the vegan community, yeah. We've known some of them for years, so it's just again word of mouth, one thing leading to another.
I know you can tell that my nose is running a little bit, so there is a little bit of spice in here. Yay! Also, we're heading into spring, and I've heard, thank you, Chef. I've heard that you have, which is rare in New York, a beautiful outdoor garden.
We do, and we are seating there now, and we're developing it even further, and hoping to.
Unfortunately, it's it's kind of a rainy, overcast
cold
day, but may we take a look?
Sure, take a
Amazing.
look. So this is our garden, and unfortunately, it's not a day where we can sit outside, but
Yeah, but you can see how beautiful it is. There's so much greenery. This is a hidden little gem back here. Gorgeous. Chef, clearly I'm still eating. I'm stoked. Thank you. I'm really excited
Thank
that I
you
got
for
to
joining.
cook with you. I mean, a little bit as well. So thank you for letting me peel.
our pleasure.
Yeah, thank you for having us. We're here at Chakra, East Village. Come say hi to the chef. Feel good about what you're eating. It's important. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I'm Lala for Flavors of New York. We'll see you next time. Bye.